Lakes are one of the natural attractions that exist in various shapes worldwide and have created a different landscape and nature. Sometimes these lakes are in the forest's heart beside the trees and become a beautiful resort. Sometimes they shine like a jewel in the mountains or appear in the desert as salt lakes. Anyway, each can bring us a new travel and tourism experience and give us different memories. Kermanshah is one of the provinces that has a number of these lakes. A series of lakes known as Sarabs are known to have different names in this province. Sarab-e Nilufar, also known as Lake Nilufar, water lily, is located 14 kilometers northwest of Kermanshah at the foot of Mount Komijar. The surface of this lake is covered in water lilies, which are the habitat of wild geese and herons. Recreational and tourist facilities have been built around Sarab-e Nilufar Lake. Sarab-e Nilufar is located on the hillside of Komijar at 25 meters above sea level. The lake is small and has an appropriate location for the rare and unique herbal types and lilies, one of the most beautiful flowers, privileged among the other flowers due to their sanctity. The water of this lake is clear so that the lily's pedicels are visible under it, and it is appropriate for pisciculture, which utilizes plenty of water overall. The depth of Nilufar Lake varies at different points, and some springs supply its water. This lake has sufficient water volume, and the concrete water channels and valves lead the overflow to the River. This large lake is used for a variety of water sports, such as boating,